This is Ryan with Parts Doctor. In this video, I'm going to show you to replace the dispenser control board on your GE refrigerator. When the dispenser control board fails, the buttons may not respond to touch, the LCD display may not illuminate, or it can cause the dispenser to stop working. If you need a new dispenser control board for your refrigerator, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Since we'll be working on the refrigerator's electrical components, disconnect power to the refrigerator. To remove the dispenser touchpad, first remove these two screws using a Phillips head screwdriver. Then gently slide the assembly down and pull it forward. Be careful as it's still connected by wires. Disconnect the electrical connectors by depressing the locking tabs. Using a T15 Torx wrench, remove the 4 screws holding the control board in place. With the screws removed, slide the control board out of the retaining slot. If you need to purchase a new dispenser control board, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You'll want to make sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you get the correct part. To install, start by aligning the 3 button pads on the bottom of the control board to the bottom of the touchpad. Then insert the bottom first and set in place. Then reinstall the 4 screws. Next, reconnect the electrical connectors to the dispenser control board. Align the tabs from the touchpad with the slots on the door. Then slide upwards into place. Then reinstall the 2 screws. That's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you enjoy fixing things and want to see more videos like this or these, please consider subscribing.